Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the vending machine only challenge. It's going to be by myself. It's going to be basically the same rules. Well, it is the same rules because you just get to only use vending machine loot except for band-aids, mats, and ammo from enemies that you kill and are on the ground. So yep, let's get started. Where should I go? Still real question. Thinking fatal fields because yeah, there's usually a vending machine though. There's a few people landing in, okay. Are you telling me there's no vending machine? Please. No, there's no vending machine. No, where am I gonna go? Let me think. Okay. Okay, maybe I'll be the zero kill dub. I'm just gonna destroy chat. I'm just gonna spam build this whole game. Unless like auto pick up. I love you too, Tack. Oh my gosh. I miss you. I would definitely pick you guys up, but you need to stick to the challenge, am I right, guys? Yes, okay. So I have a good idea now. A good plan. Those vending machines. Salty and heal. I think I'll go heal, honestly, because that's like my only chance of winning. I love you too, Pistol. I miss you. I would definitely pick you up, but oh, rest in peace. No. One. Dun, dun, dun. Why did it just say I take damage? It didn't take damage. It didn't say it sounded like it. Oh, no way. Please tell me there's a vending machine. Oh, hey, at least I can take this. It's no. No. Hey, this is meds, I can take meds. Are you kidding me, chest? Thank you for those amazing materials. It's painful to destroy you. Loot Lake, that's a really good place. There should be a bunch if nobody's gotten them. A bunch of vending machines, because there's one by Dusty Divot too. Just right over mountain or hill. What? Is it gone? Oh no, okay. Is it gone? Something I missed. Yet again, no vending machine. Vending machines don't love me, I guess. Yeah, we confirmed, I guess. Okay, so there's 3 vending machines, I think, unless they got rid of one. The spawns. Yes! This is 100% a hull choice. I'm just gonna evenly ride in though. Oh, okay. I actually have a chance of winning now. I have an epic pump. That's it. All I have is an epic pump. Yes, another big pot. Yay. Oh, this is gonna be, I don't know. So I have a shotgun. That's it. If I win this game, like and subscribe. If I don't win, like and subscribe. And comment down in the comment section what other challenges you guys want me to do. If you want. I don't really care. I need ideas. That's maybe like pistols only. That would be a good challenge. It's at least I have a weapon. That'd be a really good challenge in my opinion, because I actually have a weapon. I have a pump, so I can't be really talking. But like minis. I'm just gonna have to camp in this. This is not gonna be an exciting game. I'm just gonna push people now because I actually found a. Yeah. Oh, that's looted. Am I playing duos? Did I miss something? No, I'm playing duos. Okay, I guess I'm playing duos, Phil. Wow, this is confusing. I don't even have, okay. Okay, even more interesting. A twist on top of a twist, if you ask me. You better like and subscribe, because I had no idea. No. Oh, why do I have that? No. Those two just got killed somehow by me. I'm lonely. So let's do it. I thought they were teaming because I thought I was on solo, but like, no. Okay. So it's a very interesting game now, isn't it? Duos, no Phil, no friends. Vending machine challenge. Only vending machines. Basically shotgun only challenge, because I'm not gonna be able to get another vending machine. Unless one's at Polo Peak, that is. I could honestly go for a drum gun or a skull if there's a decision between a blue AO and a blue drum gun or a green AO, green drum gun. I would definitely pick the drum gun. Multiple purpose. Why do I have this in a second? Oh. So duos, no Phil. Campfire, yeah. $14 teams left. Can't open chests, remembered. Well, that's a full moon, if you ask me. The little peak is in. Okay. I might pop. Oh, I was about to say no. Don't know. I might pop that. Place that. Well, that's good. That's useful. Very useful, actually. This is gonna be a close match, I think. I don't know. I might die very fast. I'm really tempted just to grab a gun. Not from the vending machine, but yep. Are you kidding me? I'll take it, but like, couldn't have been a drum. Oh, well, I'm thankful. Whoa, 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 buddy. You okay? Can't have this. And there's people beside me, I have to drop it. One boom. Wow, you guys look like you're having fun. Do you guys mind if I join in? Yeah. Do you guys mind? Like, can we have like a family reunion? Wow. I'm sorry, guys. Really sorry that had to happen to. Oh, whoops. Really sorry that had to happen to you guys. Wow. Wasn't really expecting you guys. I can. No, whoa, 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 whoa. I can take these because they are utility. As long as they don't kill someone, but gone. Was not in the mood. Our 13 people left. 4 kills. Both duos. Full duos. Well, I think I might. It's 6. Ooh, I don't know if there's any vending machines here. I don't usually land here. So there might not be. This game is basically me just running around. Wow. I hope everybody's a solo, but let's be honest, that's not going to happen. No! Let me in. Oh. Didn't even know the storm right there. Oh, more people over here. I don't know if I want to push. Oh, I knocked one. No way. Killed one. No way I killed one with a grenade launcher, guys. Impressive or what? One. One. Nope. I'm out. I'm out. How many teams are there? One. Those are all the last teams, aren't they? Those are all of them. Ooh, this is gonna be a tight game, I think, because there's 2 solos, I think. No, don't shoot at me. Don't shoot at me. I'm nice. I'm friendly. Don't worry. Do not feel. I am friendly. Don't you. Don't make me. Do not make me. I'm it. Mine. You're on kill ball. Sorry, mate. Ooh. Ooh. No. No. That's not nice. That is not nice. I'm up here, okay? This is my home. Sorry, my brother. Yeah, I have a brother, yeah. Okay, guys. Sorry. Okay. So this is gonna be a tight game. Eight people left. 7 people left. 5 kills. They're still solo. I just seen that happen. Oh, two. So those are 4 people. 5. And then there's another duo, I think. Nope, but those 2 solos? Yeah, those 2 solos. 2 solos, guys. So 2 duos, 2 solos. This is my high ground, okay, guys? I'm sorry. This is actually the best spot. Can he do the rainbow? Not the rainbow. Can he do the vending machine challenge? First try, too. This is my first try, guys. Don't you guys love it when you almost have as many kills as you do for players left? It's really nice. Those 2 push each other. I hope. Oh my gosh, everybody's there. Everybody. Oh my gosh, is it all solos? Oh, that guy is. I'm scared. That guy does not seem very friendly. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's all solos. Come on. Can I pull off this dub full try? I'm just gonna go circle now. Oh, they are in circle. No way. It sucks. GG, guys.